The SkyDrive SD03, designed by the visionary team at SkyDrive Inc. with Toyota's support, is redefining urban mobility. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle offers a futuristic way to navigate congested cities. Imagine a sleek, compact flying car gliding effortlessly above the traffic, carrying a pilot and passenger on smooth, zero-emission flights. With speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and a flight time of 10 minutes, it's ideal for quick, congestion-free commutes. The standout feature of the SD03 is its innovative rotor dome design, ensuring exceptional stability and safety in the air. Quiet and eco-friendly, it's a bold step towards sustainable, efficient urban transportation. The future of commuting is here, clean, fast, and revolutionary. The Supernal SA2 is a stunning eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, designed to elevate air travel to new heights of comfort and convenience. This sleek passenger aircraft offers 4 spacious seats, which can be adapted for 2 passengers or cargo, with ample room for luggage. Initially piloted, the SA2 will soon transition to fully autonomous operations, making it a futuristic travel solution. With a cruising speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of 25 to 40 miles, the SA2 is perfect for quick urban trips, operating at a comfortable cruising altitude of 457 meters. Powered by 8 electric motors and tilt propellers, it offers a smooth, silent ride, with noise levels well below 65 decibels at hover. Its carbon fiber frame, high wing, and V-tail design create a stylish, efficient flying experience. Best of all, the SA2 is completely emission-free, marking a significant leap towards sustainable urban air mobility. The Humdinga isn't just a vehicle, it's an unparalleled experience. This amphibious marvel transitions seamlessly between land and water at the press of a button. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine and hydraulic suspension system, it achieves speeds of over 80 miles per hour on land and 30 miles per hour on water. Perfect for both personal escapades and professional missions, the Humdinga comfortably carries up to 7 passengers and 600 kilograms of cargo. Whether crossing rivers, navigating lakes, or handling floods, this vehicle is built to conquer any challenge. Crafted by Gibbs Amphibians, the Humdinga represents the pinnacle of innovation in off-road and aquatic travel. With a price tag of around $250,000 and limited availability, owning one is as exclusive as it is exciting. The Humdinga isn't just a car or a boat, it's the ultimate hybrid adventure machine. The Modox Vengeance is a rugged, cost-effective vehicle designed for both recreational adventures and light industrial tasks. Whether you're a hunter, farmer, or managing land, the Vengeance delivers unmatched reliability and versatility at an unbeatable price. While it resembles the Modox XL in looks, the Vengeance stands apart with an efficient design built for practicality. It's powered by a robust skid-steer T20 transmission and features a full-time 6-wheel drive system that ensures equal power distribution, providing excellent traction on any terrain. Engineered for simplicity, maintenance requires only basic tools, making it a hassle-free choice. With multiple engine configurations available, this vehicle adapts to your specific needs. Perfect for anyone seeking an off-road solution that's durable, reliable, and easy on the wallet, the Modox Vengeance is your go-to companion for conquering the great outdoors. Imagine a hotel that never touches the ground, floating serenely in the sky, powered by nuclear energy. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel is a visionary concept redefining luxury travel and hospitality. Designed to host up to 5,000 guests, this airborne marvel offers panoramic views and an unforgettable experience high above the earth. With a range of 10,000 miles, it could traverse continents without landing, turning travel itself into an unparalleled adventure. Small modular nuclear reactors power the hotel, ensuring it remains self-sustaining for months. Guests could enjoy world-class amenities and comfort in a setting unlike anything available on Earth. While pricing details are still speculative, the Sky Hotel promises to be an exclusive retreat for those seeking cutting-edge luxury and excitement. As technology evolves, this concept might just take flight, making the sky not the limit but the destination. The Voyager Defense D12 is a military-grade diesel-electric amphibious transport vehicle built to conquer any terrain. With independent electric traction motors on each wheel, it delivers a total exportable power of 160 kilowatts, making it a powerhouse of versatility and performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour, the D12 features a modular rear compartment that can transform into a mobile command center, ambulance, or rescue unit. The front vehicle accommodates 4 passengers, while the rear can seat 8, offering a total capacity for 12 occupants. Its off-road range extends to 185 miles, with an on-road range of 250 miles, ensuring endurance in demanding environments. The patented suspension system enhances its performance across rugged landscapes, making it unstoppable in challenging conditions. Designed and manufactured by UTV International, the Voyager Defense D12 is a game-changer in multi-terrain mobility, redefining innovation and adaptability for modern defense and rescue operations. The American Eagle motorhome by American Coach sets a new standard for luxury and performance in the recreational vehicle market. Powered by a robust Cummins ISX-15 engine delivering an impressive 605 horsepower, this diesel motorhome ensures a smooth, powerful ride on any terrain. Step inside, and you're greeted by opulence at every turn. High-end features like Blanco sinks, Cambria quartz countertops, and premium flooring create a home-like feel with a touch of elegance. The spacious interior boasts a freestanding dinette, plush seating, and state-of-the-art audio-visual systems for entertainment and relaxation. Outdoor living is equally luxurious, with amenities such as a power awning, outdoor speakers, and a flat-screen TV for alfresco enjoyment. Priced around $940,000, the American Eagle motorhome delivers unparalleled quality and style for travelers who want the ultimate vacation experience without sacrificing the comforts of home. 2 halves. The Lazareth LM847 is an extraordinary fusion of motorcycle agility and car power, designed for those who crave an exhilarating ride. At its heart is a monstrous 4.7 L V8 engine delivering an astounding 470 horsepower, propelling this beast to speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. What truly sets the LM847 apart is its tiltable 4-wheel design, allowing it to lean into corners like a motorcycle while offering the stability of a quad. Weighing approximately 500 kilograms, it boasts a remarkable power-to-weight ratio for a smooth yet adrenaline-pumping ride. This 2-seater marvel provides room for both a rider and a passenger, making it ideal for sharing the thrill. Though not built for long-distance travel, it's a performance machine through and through. With a price tag of around $200,000, the Lazareth LM847 is more than a vehicle. It's a bold statement for those who live life on the edge. 2 halves.